In this video you will learn and understand the complete tutorial of what is DocuSign, how Esignature works, how you can send the documents for signing, and how the receiver will sign the documents. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower, where you can get the best enterprise software for your business. In the traditional approach to sign any document, we used to take a printout of the document, sign it manually, scan it and then send it to the intended person. But with emerging technology, everything is getting digitized. Electronic signatures or e-signature is one of the inventions which makes it easy, secure and fast to sign documents from anywhere and anytime. With DocuSign, one can manage all the documents remotely. E-signature accelerates agreements, eliminates manual tasks and makes it easy to connect with the tools and system you're already using, making it easier to do business faster, to be more efficient and save money. Let's see how DocuSign works. Firstly, log into the DocuSign e-signature app from here. You can sign and send the document to the intended person for his signature. Just click on Start Now and upload the document from your device. You can upload one or more documents from your device or from the list of available cloud storage. Once the document is uploaded, just click on Next. Here, you need to specify the recipient's name to whom you're sending the document for a signature. You can send the documents to two people at the same time. For sending this document to the person, add one more recipient. You can just click on Add Recipient and their name and email address. You can send this document simultaneously to the recipient, or you can set a signing order. So let's set a signing order. That is, the document will be sent to the first person. Once the first person has signed, then it'll be forwarded to the second person. So after filling the information, click on Next, and your document will be uploaded. Here add the fields like name, phone number, email address, signature over the document. Drag and drop the signature tag for the signature of the recipients. The first person has to fill in the information in all the fields. So what does the second person have to do? Just choose what the recipient has to fill in. Just drag and drop. We need the other person's signature, his name and date. So once the required fields are placed, just click on Next. Here, you need to add a standard message for all the recipients and any private message to the individual. After writing the message, just click on Next. You can also set advanced options, such as a document reminder. You have an option for this, just click on Send after this. So once you click on Send option, your document will be sent to the recipient for their signature. Now let's see how the recipient will receive the mail and how the recipient will sign the document. So this is how the first person or the first recipient has received the mail. Once you click on the mail, you'll get the information from where you have received the document. Click on the review document and open it. Press Continue and Start. So after clicking on Start, it'll take you to the fields where you need to fill in information. Here you need to sign. Click on Sign and proceed. The predefined signature which you have selected in the DocuSign e-signature app will be copied. You need to write your name here and then update it automatically after entering the information. Now click on Finish. Once you click on Finish, the document will be sent to the other recipient for his signature. So let's see how the other recipient has received the mail. This is how the other person will receive the mail. Just click on the review document. It is not necessary that the other person should have the DocuSign app to do this. E-signature, just click on the consent and click on Continue. So once we click on it, continue to choose on Start. It'll take you where to fill in the information. Here, the other person has to sign. Just click on the Sign. The other person can choose the predefined signature from the list, or draw your own signature from the device, or upload the image of the signature from the device. Once you click on Adopt and Sign, your signature will be copied. So this is done once the document is completed. You need to fill in the name here. The date is automatically updated after completion of signature and other fields. Once the recipient has signed and sent the document, the sender will receive mail like this. As you can see, the document has been signed and it's completed. So now both the recipients have completed the signing process. You can see the status in the DocuSign app. Here one action has been completed. Along with this, you can see the entire history of the process. You can see the signing location. If you go to History, you can see the IP addresses. You can download the certificate if you want. With DocuSign, you can speed up the signing process, keep your transaction secure and safe. DocuSign can be used in processes where a lot of documentation and approvals are required. For example, HR processes and legal department. For further assistance on Esignature and other services, contact Software Horsepower for DocuSign.